Okay, now I'm going to show you how to upload the animated hero that you made in PiskelApp. The first thing we need to do is we need to get rid of the cat because we don't need that. Yours might be called Sprite 1 or Cat 1. You're just going to right click on it and click delete. Now it's gone. We have a few ways of adding a new sprite we can choose from the library. We can draw our own, we can upload, or we can grab from the camera. We're going to upload, so click on the folder to upload, and then you want to go find your animated hero. You have to remember where you saved it. There's mine. I'm going to click open. I might have to wait, and there it is. Now, the size might not be what I want it to be. Scratch is a math-based program. It really likes order and reason. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell it mathematically to change the size. The way we're going to do that is we're going to click up here on these scripts. We're going to click on when the green flag is clicked. Then we're going to click under looks. And we're going to go down to where it says change or set size to. All right, right now it's 100%. Let's try 80. And the way we test it is we click on the green flag. That still might be a little bit big, so you can try it again. And you can toggle with this to make it bigger or smaller as many times as you need. I'm happy right there. The only thing I don't like is I really am not happy with this white that's all around my character. Yours may not have it. If it does, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Make sure that you have the blue square around your sprite. Click on costumes. Then you should see all the different frames of your animation that you created in PiskelApp. Whichever ones have the white, just click on one of them. Then you're going to click on the fill with color tool, and you're going to choose, it's not a color. This one means I don't want any color with the red mark through it. We're going to click on that and then click anywhere on the white, and you can see it's gone. Nice, right? So now we have inserted a sprite into our Scratch.